Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Infiniti G35 Coupe versus the G37 Coupe. We will start by looking at their core powerplints. The G35 Coupe is equipped with a robust 3.5-liter VQ engine, known for its strong performance. Moving to the G37 Coupe, you'll find a larger 3.7-liter VQ engine. This upgrade generally translates to a noticeable increase in both horsepower and torque, offering a more potent driving experience right from the start. Delving deeper into performance, the G35 Coupe delivers up to 306 horsepower, providing exhilarating acceleration. The G37 Coupe, however, steps up the game, boasting around 330 horsepower, giving it a distinct edge in raw power. Regarding transmissions, the G35 typically came with a 5-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual. The G37 brought an updated 7-speed automatic, alongside its 6-speed manual option, enhancing both efficiency and responsiveness. Visually, both coupes share a striking resemblance, yet distinct differences emerge upon closer inspection. The G35 Coupe showcases a classic, athletic design that remains timeless. The G37 Coupe, on the other hand, introduced a more refined and aggressive exterior, with updated headlights and a sleeker profile. Inside, the G37 generally features improved material quality and a more modern dashboard layout, though both provide a driver-focused cockpit and comfortable seating for four. When it comes to technology, the G37 Coupe often includes more advanced infotainment systems and driver aids compared to its predecessor. Despite these differences, both the G35 and G37 coupes are celebrated for their engaging and dynamic driving experience, offering precise steering and a well-tuned suspension. The G37 also sees slight improvements in fuel efficiency in certain configurations. Ultimately, both vehicles provide a compelling blend of luxury, performance, and everyday usability, making them excellent choices for enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.